Hi everyone! Welcome back to the channel. In this quick tutorial, I'll show you how to fix extra spacing in Google Docs. If your document has large gaps between lines or paragraphs, this method will help you clean it up easily. Let's get started. First, open Google Docs and go to the document where you want to fix the spacing. Use your cursor to highlight the text that has extra spaces. Now, click on the Format menu at the top. From the drop-down, go to Line and Paragraph Spacing, then choose Custom Spacing. A new box will appear. In the Line Spacing section, you can type the number you prefer. For this example, I'll use 1.5. Next, look at the Paragraph Spacing section. Change the values to 0 so that there are no extra gaps before or after your paragraphs. Once done, click Apply. And that's it. The extra spacing is now fixed, and your document looks neat and professional. If this tutorial helped you, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more Google Docs tips. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next one.